In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change form position in Kit. We'll walk through how to adjust where your pop-up forms appear on the screen, whether you're using a modal, a slide-in, or a sticky bar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to tweak the position so it matches your page layout and your visitor experience. First, open your form inside your account by going to the Grow section, then selecting Landing Pages and Forms. This is where all of your forms live, and it's the starting point for making any design or behavior changes. Once your form editor is open, look toward the top menu and find the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon to open the form's settings panel. This is where you control things like behavior, appearance, and, in this case, the position of your form. In the settings panel, navigate to the General tab in the sidebar. The labels may vary slightly depending on updates, but you're looking for the General area, which holds most of the core layout controls. Within the General tab, scroll until you find a section called Alignment or Position. This section is specific to the type of form you're editing, so what you see here will depend on whether it's a slide-in, a sticky bar, or another pop-up format. If you're working with a slide-in form, you'll see options that let you choose where that form slides in from. Typically, you can choose between bottom left and bottom right. Pick the side that best fits your page design and doesn't cover important content. For example, if you have a chat widget on the bottom right, you might want your form on the bottom left to avoid overlap. For sticky bars, you'll see options to place the bar at the top or bottom of the page. A top bar is great for important announcements or offers you want visitors to see immediately, while a bottom bar can feel a bit more subtle and less intrusive. Think about how prominent you want your message to be when choosing between the two. After you've made your alignment or position selection, don't forget to save your changes. Click Save to make sure everything is stored, and then click Publish so the new form position goes live on your site. If you skip publishing, your visitors will still see the old version. And that's it. By opening your form, heading into Settings, using the General tab, and adjusting the alignment or position controls, you can fine-tune exactly where your pop-up appears on the page.